In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Confluence page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to relocate a page to a different spot in your workspace without losing content or context. This is helpful when you are reorganizing documentation, cleaning up a space, or placing a page under a more relevant section. Start from your dashboard, which is the home base you see after signing in. From here, open the page you want to move. Make sure you are on the exact page, since moving affects that page and typically includes its child pages as well. Your content, comments, and history stay intact, so you are not recreating anything, just changing where it lives. Once you are on the page, look to the top right of the page toolbar and click the three-dot icon. This is the More Actions menu, and it's where Confluence keeps page-level tools. It can be easy to miss if you are new to the interface, so scan the top right corner and you'll see the ellipsis. From the More Actions menu, select Move. If you don't see Move as an option, you might not have permission to move that page, or the page could be restricted. In that case, a space admin or page owner may need to adjust permissions. When it is available, selecting Move opens the Move dialog. In the dialog, choose the new space and the parent page. A space is like a container or project area that groups related pages. Selecting a different space relocates the page to that broader area. The parent page is the page under which your page will live in the page tree. Picking the right parent helps your content appear in the correct hierarchy and makes it easier for teammates to find. Take a moment to confirm you are placing it in the right space and under the right parent so the structure remains clear. When your selections look correct, click Move. Confluence processes the change and updates the page's location. The content remains the same, and in most setups, links within Confluence adjust automatically, so people following those links still arrive at the right place. Any child pages usually move with the parent, preserving the structure you had before. Page restrictions and watchers often carry over too, depending on your site's configuration. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.